A federal judge removed a major hurdle in holding President Donald Trump back from downsizing the federal workforce. DC News Now's Yamari Sase has been live all morning outside the Office of Personnel Management in Northwest. So Yamari, fill us in again. What can you tell us about the judge's decision and how it could affect many workers here in DC?
Yeah, several lawsuits have been filed by labor unions representing federal workers against the Donald Trump administration's proposed buyouts when it comes to federal workers. Now, ultimately, a judge actually just ruled that these labor unions can't sue because it does not affect them directly. Now, according to the Associated Press, this comes after President Donald Trump announced his deferred workforce resignation. Under that decision, federal employees could quit their job in return for pay up until September. And the goal is to downsize the federal workforce and also save money. Now, about 75,000 federal employees already accepted the offer, which actually ended at 7 p.m. last night. But several labor unions filed lawsuits asking to put the program on hold, claiming the plan is illegal and not enough time was given to make a conscious decision. Now, a federal judge ruled yesterday unions are not directly impacted and legally can't challenge the program. In a statement, the American Federation of Government Employees actually said today's ruling is a setback in the fight for dignity and fairness in public servants, but it's not the end of that fight. Importantly, this decision does not address the underlying lawfulness of the program. Now, here's what the White House messaged to all judges looking to stall this program.
Quick news flash to these liberal judges who are supporting their obstructionist efforts. 77 million Americans voted to elect this president. And each injunction is an abuse of the rule of law and an attempt to thwart the will of the people.
Now, labor unions say they do plan on asking this specific judge that allowed this ruling to put this program on hold. For now, reporting in Northwest DC, I'm Yamari Sase, DC News Now.